Ever tried drinking water upside down to stop hiccups? It sounds like a circus trick, but it's actually a clever hack to reset your diaphragm's rhythm. When you hiccup, it's your diaphragm spasming uncontrollably. By flipping your head forward and sipping water from the opposite side of the glass, you engage and stretch the diaphragm in a unique way, interrupting those pesky spasms. This quirky method leverages gravity and altered posture to send a reset signal to your diaphragm, effectively halting the hiccup cycle. Next time you're caught off guard by those relentless hiccups, remember this mind-bending trick. It might just save you from an awkward moment.